This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janet Lineberg. New listing, gated 55 plus community. See this highly desirable first floor condo A110 with water view and an assigned parking space conveniently located in front of your door. A huge plus is a just installed new top of the line Carrier air conditioner installed May 2020. Transferrable warranty if purchased before August 2020. The owner has paperwork upon request. Also, in 2020 new carpet was installed. This condo has a large master bedroom with a walk-in closet, a full bathroom. Additional rooms are a half bathroom, kitchen, family room, living room, dining area and a screened-in lanai. Let your spirit make this your affordable Florida living home. With a low monthly COA fee of $312.79, you will have quality amenities and activities that include a large heated pool, tennis courts, and recreational center. The community provides beautiful lush tropical surroundings with many places to unite with friends and family for outdoor grilling, wining and dining. Take a peaceful stroll on the ambling walkways by ponds with water fountains filled with wading birds. Join in on the fun activities. Located close to shopping and a brief to Anna Maria Island and plenty other beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Janet Lineberg at 941-225-5289.